Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily customize the navigation bar on Samsung Galaxy A36. So first, what you guys can do is head over to settings. Now after you do that, scroll down, sorry, not that much down, but scroll down to display and tap it. Here, you need to scroll down until you see navigation bar. And here you can change between buttons or swipe gestures. If we have swipe gestures now, after we click more options, here we can change their sensitivity, as you guys can see, from lower to higher. And what else can we do is change it to buttons. Now go to more options, and here we can change its order. Now it's reversed, as you guys can see. And what else can we do? I will show you guys. Here we can also disable or enable assistant app, or we can enable or disable circle to search, which is holding the circle. And now what we can do is circle it up, and as you guys can see, it will search it up on Google. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.